It's time for another episode of...
Oh wait, what the hell is this? What the pack? What the pack? What the pack? So I guess it's my first OB13. I hope we get something good here. Let's go. Oh, juicy.
Fast forward.
First half, let's go. It's thinning out. We have our first SR, and that is Uta. We move on to the second
next half.
Hopefully you have something good. SR Gorosei. Oh, SR. New SR. Bonnie. Hello.
What kind of angle
I
is
know. That one of my problems is that, but it is a really good SR.
this? How old is she?
She is 12.
12.
But because of her Delville fruit, she doesn't look like 12. It's thinning out. I'm not happy. Oh, rare. It's just
SR,
rare.
yeah?
No, it's just rare. What? Are we going to get just a rare? What the heck? Okay,
Ooh,
finally.
Okay.
Dude, we don't have SEC though, but I'm happy with the white gear parallel. But I do not like how it has like whites.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it has. See?
Yeah.
It's a good card, it's just for collecting, I guess.
Binder.
That's weird. But I do love the new cards of OP30.
If you want to see her opening the 4 boxes that will arrive, please subscribe.